Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 Featured Trade Idea, the setup and trade plan for Friday, September 21st, 2018. Today's featured trade idea will be GSM, Ferro Global. I thought it used to be Global Specialty Metals, but I guess they changed their name. But they're in the metals market. As we can see here, it's been in a long-term downtrend, and we are right at the point. We are right at the point of breaking through that downtrend. Ignoring that downtrend for a moment, we have had a low, a higher low, a low, a high, a higher low, and we're working on it there. And that broke us into a rounded bottom breakout right here, and now we've pulled back and we've held the 50, and we've held this support level as well. And then on Thursday we took a push up off of that and moved higher. I will be looking for a breakout above these this support level or resistance level here, which I hope turns into support. If we go out to a longer term chart, we can see where these come from. Let's spread this out a little bit so you can see. But you can see that we've got a number of touches right in this area. This is the level that we pushed up off of, and we had some highs in there and some mostly lows, but a couple highs as well at that level. Another level up here about 9 1/4 across these tops and these lows, a high there as well as some lows and highs back in here, and the same thing happens again up around $10, and then again up around 1080. Again, these things, these lines should not be 1 penny wide. They are an area more than they are to a fine point, a price. So with that in mind, let's go back and see if I can adjust this so we can see again. Okay, so this will be our entry up here just above that 850 breakout, with the first target up here just before this 924 level, and then a second target up here just before the $10 level. You could go on up. I suspect that the 200 will come down and be in this area when you reach there, but for now I'm just going to plan this as a two exit trade plan. So let's see if we can't do that. Okay, GSM reported earnings a month ago, so we have 2 months until the next earnings report. We've got 5 bullish conditions and 1 bearish condition. The symbol's short-term bias because of this pullback is still negative, and we understand that. That's one of the things we like, is it pulled back to give us a better entry, and it held support, which is what we're looking for. So we've got no candle signal. That is a bullish candle and pushing up off of support, but it is not a true signal. And we do have the rounded bottom breakout working for us. When we do get a breakout up here, about, I don't know, 865 or something like that, we will have another pattern working for us, higher lows and higher highs. So let's plan this out. 1 entry, 2 exits, just above 850, so let's call it 852, just to pick a number. Down here, let's call it 820. Be a little conservative on our stop. The first target is up here at 924, so let's call that a 920 target. The second target is up here at $10, so let's make that 995. Again, selling into strength. It says we can do 468 shares. Let's try 500. It's a little bit tight, but it's a 4% position. $160 of risk if we're stopped out. I think I can live with that. If we sell half at that first target, are we getting our, yeah, we're getting 2 to 1. So if we sell half at that first target, we can get a 2 to 1 reward to risk. And in fact, that is just about exactly where we would need to sell our position in order to make our trade goal for this trade. Actually, a couple cents higher, but for 2 cents, I'm not going to argue with it. But if we can sell half at that first target and hold the rest up to that $10 level, sell at $9.95, we pick up another 17% on the back end, and that would give us a 12% trade overall, 3.3 to 1. As I said, you might be able to plan this out as a 3-target trade. I did that last night in the workshop webinar, but I'm just going to plan it out as 2 now, and see how it goes. If I got to that point and I felt like the overall market was right and GSM was acting correctly as well, I might split what I was selling here and go with 3 targets. You can always right click and add a target here if you want. So that will be our trade idea for today. If you evaluate this against your view of the market, your trading style, rules and criteria, and you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe below. I guess they say to click that bell, but I don't really know what that bell does other than subscribing. But they say that bell notifies you of new posts. And beyond that, I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope to see you in the trading room.